Hello and welcome to Tech Computer class. This is another session of Microsoft Windows operating system. In today's session of Microsoft Windows, we are going to cover the taskbar properties. Topics to be covered here. What will be covered in this session is locking and unlocking the taskbar, auto hiding the taskbar, use small icon in taskbar, taskbar location on screen, group taskbar buttons. So these are the points we are going to cover in this session. Okay, let's get started. Okay, now take your mouse towards the taskbar, right click on it, and the first thing what you can see is the lock the taskbar. Now as your taskbar right now is open, so if you keep your mouse towards this border line, you'll see the two arrows coming, and you can click on mouse and drag it upper part so that your locks is already open, and you can move your taskbar upper part and the lower part. You can increase and you can decrease the part. So right now your taskbar lock is open. Now if you want to lock this taskbar, keep your mouse on taskbar, right click on it, lock the taskbar. Now if you find you won't see that arrow button over here, okay, again if you want the same process you have to follow. Keep your mouse in between the taskbar, right click on it. Now you can see it is tick mark over here. It is lock the taskbar. You have to click here, it will open your lock, will unlock, and again you will find the arrow button and you can drag it. You can increase the taskbar, right click again if you go over there towards the lock the taskbar, your taskbar is locked. So this is how to lock the taskbar and how to unlock the taskbar, and how to increase your taskbar and decrease your taskbar. Okay, let's dive into the taskbar properties. Keep your mouse again towards the taskbar, right click. This is your taskbar property, and you will see that taskbar and the startup menu property. So what we are going to learn right now is a taskbar property. So your first option is your taskbar. So taskbar appears. What does it appear? Lock the taskbar screen. Now as here the taskbar is already tick mark, and here also it is tick mark. So if you click here, and if you see here, if you apply here, and if you see that it is removed, so both the commands are one and the same. So if you click here and apply here, and you will find again that the lock the taskbar. So either you can take it from here also, or you can select from the properties of the taskbar. Is both one and the same. Okay, so coming to the point, now suppose if you want to hide your taskbar and you want a full screen of it, you can click on auto hide the taskbar, apply, okay. Now if you see that your taskbar gets hide, and you will get the full screen on it. If you take mouse towards the bottom of the screen, it will invoke your taskbar. Again if you take your mouse up, it will hide. Again if you take it down, it will invoke the taskbar. If you want this taskbar again, keep your mouse in between the taskbar, right click on it, properties, click on this button, auto hide the taskbar, apply it. You will see that your taskbar is on your desktop. So this is how we can hide the taskbar and unhide the taskbar. The main benefit is whenever, suppose for example, if you hide this taskbar, I'll just show you. Okay, what is the advantage of it? Now suppose if you are running any program, say I'll say any window, say I'll say the VLC player program, media player, you'll see the full screen on it. See, you won't find your taskbar coming on this program until you take your mouse the bottom of the screen. You'll get this taskbar, but if you take it up, it is in background. So this is the main advantage of it, to get the full screen of any program. Okay, so this is the reason behind it, why we auto hide our taskbar. But somebody needs this taskbar, no problem, you can go on to the property, taskbar property, again click on that option, auto hide the taskbar, disable it, apply. Okay, sometimes somebody needs taskbar on their desktop, no problem, that also will be okay as per the operator's requirement. Somebody wants full screen, somebody wants with the screen they need a taskbar to open any programs. So that depends on the operator how they want to keep their taskbar onto the screen. Okay, now coming to the point of, suppose use the small icons. Now these are the medium icons over here onto the screen. If you click onto use the small icon and apply, you will see that icons will become small icons. Suppose there are many icons over here, so at that time you need a small icon that time. So if you want this function to be displayed on your taskbar, you can click onto the use small icon button. Either if you don't want, you can click it again and just say apply as per your need. So this is Windows 7 is an operating system. So this is how you need to function your operating system. So you should know the command, each and every command nicely, and understand what is the meaning of that command. Now apply command which activates your command, and OK will finalize your commands. Okay, now taskbar is bottom of the screen, but if you want on left side, top of your desktop, on your right side, so you can shift this taskbar to any of your place, manually also and with a command also. But first of all, we'll learn by command. Take your mouse towards your taskbar, right click on it, properties. You will see that a taskbar location on the screen is bottom. So right now it is in bottom. So if I click on left, and if I say it's apply, you will see that your taskbar comes on this side. So this is the best example. When I give apply command, it will activate the command. I did not have to click again and again. So this is to teach you, that's why I am applying onto this command. So I am not clicking on this OK button to give again and again. Right click, properties. Okay, so after apply you have to click OK. So we always remember, if you want on right side, apply will activate the command, and OK is your final. Means that your command is now, well, place it on that location on the right side. Right click here, properties, and if you see that bottom, again if you want, apply, OK. So this way you can shift your taskbar wherever you need it. Manually, if you want, keep your mouse here, drag it here, drag and push. Now as why it is not coming onto the left side as I am clicking onto the, because it is lock the taskbar. If I remove the lock and if I drag it, it will automatically come up. See, now manually, this is manual. Click here, drag it, click here, drag it, yani you have to pull. Click the left button and pull. Again right click and you have to lock the taskbar. Always keep a practice of locking the taskbar, otherwise your taskbar can jump from here to there. Okay, so this was to change the location of your taskbar. Now how to group your taskbar button. Suppose for example, if I open say some of the programs 5 to 10 times, suppose many of the programs are open. Okay, see, many of the windows are open. Okay, many of the windows are open. I'll just see to it. Intentionally I will open. So there are many windows are open over here. Okay, to explain you the grouping taskbar button. So now keep your mouse onto the taskbar in between. Right click on it, properties, and this is the taskbar button. So here what it is written, always combine and hide the labels. Labels means the program name. Labels means, now see, now this is your notepad. So notepad has come in one group, it has been combined in one group. WordPad has come in one group. Okay, this is start menu. Now already it is existing. Now suppose if I say combine when taskbar is full, and I will say apply. Now see, whenever your taskbar is full, it will combine. See here, it gets combined. See, the WordPad is with the combine. See here. Okay, so it keeps your document together. And if you take this, always combine this, apply, so it will combine accordingly this way. If you say never combine, so it will become separate. See, separate. It will become separate. From here, if you want to close the window. Now this is never combined. If I make it say combine onto the taskbar, apply. If I click here at the notepad, right click here, close. If I take always combine and apply, and now I want to all the windows. So all the windows, so you have to select always combine the hide label, and then if you want to close the window, you can close all the windows at a time. This way, you close the window. So this is how you can control your taskbar properties. Okay, thank you very much.